What I want to talk about today is the Dome of Florence, the first truly impressive dome made after the fall of the Romans in Italy. So I know the Romans made huge domes, that's common knowledge. What I want to know is why the Florence dome is made with bricks and how do they stay upright?
To do this, Brunelleschi placed the bricks in a herringbone pattern.
Disponer los ladrillos en forma de espina de pez, o sea, colocar hiladas de ladrillos horizontales y de tanto en tanto algunas verticales.
With vertical bricks acting as bookends to hold the others in place.
Así, cada hilada en los 8 lados de la cúpula quedaba unida a la de arriba y a la de abajo, entretejida con ladrillos verticales para darle rigidez. Los ladrillos colocados en diferente sentido se frenan entre ellos, se traban y vencen la gravedad.
The philosophy in using a brick pattern like this is pretty simple. That brick becomes a piece of a larger but still singular structure. I like to think of it like when sand gets turned to glass. It's not a whole bunch of grains glued together, it's a whole bunch of grains being melted and fused into one larger glass piece. The Florence Dome is essentially doing the same thing but with bricks. Most masons or architects didn't think this way, but the guy who did, a guy named Filippo Brunelleschi, wasn't either of these. He was a goldsmith who got the idea while traveling with another famous artist, Donatello, in Rome. Now they had a lot of time to think about what they wanted to see in Rome. Brunelleschi, he wanted to see the Pantheon and its dome and try to figure out why it worked, what the philosophy was behind the Romans. What he found was, because the Romans used concrete, the dome would act as one piece, since when concrete dries it becomes basically one large rock. Brunelleschi couldn't do that because, well, no one knew how to make concrete. That knowledge was lost with the fall of the Romans. Because he wasn't a mason by trade, he didn't think like a mason, and saw no problem in simply turning a brick vertically sideways.